all of our welders are held to an extremely high standard. The components that we use in the trailer are always going to be the very best that we can find. One of the reasons that Bigfoot's able to be so competitive is the fact that we have the tooling like the big guys. We take sheet metal and cut it into any kind of part we need to build a trailer. Another major difference between Bigfoot trailers and a lot of our competitors is the way we wire the trailers. All the trailers have a modular harness that was custom made just for Bigfoot trailers. You can see their rubber solid connections that once they're put together, they're watertight. Another important thing about the trailers that we build is that we use exclusively Dexter axles. All our trailers that are heavier duty than 14K, 17, 18Ks, and 20Ks have these big, wide 2.5-inch brake hubs on them. And that's the difference between us and a lot of our competitors. When the customers at Bigfoot look underneath a trailer, they're gonna see that every nook and cranny, bottom, top of every single part is painted. We have a factory here in Florida, we have a factory in Virginia, and then we're stocking trailers at multiple locations in Tallahassee, Jacksonville, different places in Virginia, Delaware. We've got excellent financing options, the very best there is, rent-to-own programs, and options all in between as well.